Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn about the useful properties of plastics and about plastics and environment. Useful properties of plastics. The first property of plastic is it is non-reactive. You know that iron is a metal. When it exposed to moisture and air, undergo rusting. It is because it reacts with air and water. Have you ever heard plastic bottle getting corroded? No. Why? Because plastic is non-reactive. This is the reason why these are used to store various kind of materials, including chemicals. Another property of plastic is it is light, strong and durable. In past decades, we were using articles made of iron and steel. However, today plastic replaced their use in our life. Why? Because plastic is far much lighter than metals. It is strong also. Furthermore, as plastic is non-reactive, plastic articles have longer duration. They can be molded into different forms. Third property is plastics are poor conductors. As plastics are poor conductors of heat and electricity, these are used as coverings to electric wires, handles of screwdrivers, handles of pans and cookies. It is also used for making heat resistant dresses. Plastics and the environment. Plastic is a threat to the environment as it is non-biodegradable. Its disposal is a big problem. Material which gets decomposed through natural processes such as bacterial action is called biodegradable material. For example, paper, peels of vegetables, etc. Material which cannot be easily decomposed by natural processes is called non-biodegradable material. For example, plastic. So, plastic is a non-biodegradable material. How can this problem be solved? What can be done with the plastic waste generated? The simplest, most convenient, environment-friendly option is recycling. Plastic has the property to melt when heated, and the molten plastic can be further molded into different forms. Thus, the plastic waste can be recycled to form newer useful items. Don't we have substitute for smaller plastic items that we use daily? For instance, the bags that we use for shopping in market. The plastic bags can be replaced with jute or any such natural materials. This will help in lesser generation of plastic waste. It is our responsibility to keep the environment clean and safe for other organisms as well. And is there any better solution for this? We should keep in mind the 4 R's. Then what are the 4 R's? It simply stands for reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. It says that we should reduce the use of plastics. If we use it, we should use it repeatedly. That is, it has to be reused. Once it turns useless, we should recycle it. That is, we should convert it into a similar or different product which is useful. And what does recover mean? There are many materials which are complex in nature. These cannot be directly recycled, so we opt for recovering the energy stored in them. In such cases, we process the materials in various stages to get the energy stored inside them. Following such rules can help us keep the environment healthy. We must not forget that our beautiful planet is shared by many other organisms too. So that's all about this chapter, synthetic fibers and plastics.